Ito pala yung surprise ng mga bata kanina kay mommy. Ito sa kanya. Happy Mother's Day, everyone! Start na ng usage of the camping gear. John Hextall Bridge, Bow River. So, chill lang tayo. Enjoy the sunny weather. Zoom ng camera ko, kuya. Kita oh. Good morning, fam, and our breakfast for Mother's Day is tapsilog. Ayan, nag-prepare na rin si Daddy ng eggs and pandesal. So tara, breakfast na tayo. Ayan, nag-start na tayo mag-breakfast. Happy Mother's Day, Kuya! Happy Mother's Day ulit, Mami!
Thank you.
Ayan, eating time ang family. And after this, fam, saan tayo pupunta, Mommy? We're going to?
To church.
Church. And then after church, where are we going?
To the park.
Oh, to the park.
Picnic.
Ayan, fam. So magpipiknik kami around Calgary. Okay, so I'll see ya. And fam, ito pala yung surprise ng mga bata kanina kay Mommy. Pagising ni Mommy, binigay namin to sa kanya. Yan, simple letter lang of Happy Mother's Day. So, Happy Mother's Day, everyone! Sa lahat ng mga nasa Pilipinas and Canada. Happy Mother's Day! At for today, fam, we're just preparing kasi syempre Sunday ngayon. Mag-church tayo. And after that, pupunta tayo somewhere downtown. Gusto ng mga Calgary fam natin na gumala on Mother's Day. So, I think Jollibee lang din ang food namin later. So, abangan nyo. Goal namin actually is to go to a park na merong river or pwedeng magtampisaw para yung mga kids pwede sila maglaro. Okay? So, we'll see you. Church lang muna tayo, fam.
Hello, fam. On our way to
Church.
Church.
Excited ang mga bata lagi pag going to church.
Ayan. And of course, special day today kasi it's Mother's Day.
So,
Mother's
mamamasyal
Day
tayo
mass.
after fam, as what I've said kanina. Pero hindi pa namin alam. So, bahala na si Kuya Alan and si Sister Monette.
We're just
Kung
following
saan
the flow.
kami pupunta. Basta may dala na akong mga upuan, camping upuan just in case.
Yeah. Kasi yung weather din parang gloomy pero we'll still see. Alam nyo naman dito sa Calgary, 4-day season ang peg namin dito. So, baka mag-change in an hour. Pero ang plan pa rin is to go outdoor para mag-enjoy kami to celebrate Mother's Day in the nature and baka dito lang around Calgary kasi ayaw na namin lumayo pa. And for sure, there's a special Mother's Day Mass or service din.
Or just look for somebody who looks like a mom and wish them a happy Mother's Day.
Same thing.
And then you
Happy
can go
Mother's
ahead
Day,
and
love.
have yourself a seat.
Share with you this morning just some things about family and parenting, the importance of moms. And so, hey, let's open up with a word of prayer.
Few pictures, fam, habang nandito sa church. Tapos na ang aming church. So napakaganda, parang commentary ng pastora.
Yeah.
So siya naman yung nag-share kasi nga Mother's Day. So yun yung parang special episode nila for Mother's Day. Very good. Very basic trainings dapat for the kids.
Learning.
Don't rob them out of the process. Dapat alam nilang mahirapan. Mga pang solid talaga fam na building up for the kids attitude na dapat malakas sila and matibay.
connection first before correction. Parang yun yung isa sa pinaka-ano din nila. You connect with your kids first before you do correction with them. Ngayon, nag-decide ang fam, syempre, laging meron tayong after mass or after service na gatherings.
Parang playground. So first time namin pupunta sa park na to. Shoaldice Park.
Yeah.
Somewhere around downtown. Gilid siya ng Bow River.
Yeah.
So for sure fam, maganda yung view nito. So watch out. Pero bago doon, gutom na kami. Lunchtime. After lunch na rather. Magja-Jollibee. Take out muna tayo. So we'll see you. Bye-bye. Louder.
I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of. I only wanted to be part of.
Rockers eh.
I only wanted
Ayan na.
to be young kid, just to watch me play. Give everything I ever wanted me to be.
Points ka din. Oo nga eh. Hello fam! At ito na, dumaan na kami sa Jollibee pero naka-order na kami online. So pipick upin na lang namin. Ito ang aming Mother's Day picnic meal.
Hello fam! So nandito na tayo sa parking ng Shoaldice. So bit-bit lang muna tayo ng napakaraming karga plus mga chairs natin dito. So naglalabasan na ang ating mga camping chairs. So let's go!
Walking, going to the park.
Start na ng usage of the camping gear.
Correct. Andito
Ayan
na, ang daming tao.
Look at that!
Yeah.
Are you sure you really want to pull it
There
off,
you
Daddy?
go.
Can you see that park?
Yo, wow!
Can you see the playground?
Ayan o. Hello! Nasa tayo sis? Anong dito?
Shoaldice?
Ayan pa, dito kami magsa-celebrate ng aming Mother's Day. Go, go, go.
Oh, this is the iced tea, baby.
With Asumi Joy and the family.
Yes,
Ayan,
yes.
sa Jollibee tayo.
Man, we don't go Jollibee. It's not a big deal.
There you go.
People get to bring them.
We're gonna go back.
Ayan. Are you hungry niya ka? Opo. Okay, let's eat na.
Nagmamadali kasi kung kanina. Tayo ng laban. I know, di ba?
Pam, naglakad na ang mga daddies. Doon na sila sa kabilang. Doon na sila sa kabilang side.
Mommy, I wanna go there.
Andun na sila sa kabilang ng river.
The boys are here, fam. Ayan, meron kaming bridge. Hindi pwedeng hindi ko i-vlog to. John Hextall Bridge. Bow River. Ganda. John Hextall Bridge. Bow River. Tapos doon actually kami galing fam sa baba. And nandun yung pwesto namin. Doon sa park banda. So nandito kami sa side. Punta tayo dito sa kabila. Yan, teka. Hawakan natin yung phone natin. Baka mahulog. Yan. So, chill lang tayo. Enjoy the sunny weather. Kanina gloomy bro. So, ngayon naging sunny Ganda nung weather Ganda. Siyempre, meron pa tayong baon na Jollibee. So, yung mga husbands ay nagwo-walking lang. Yung mga mommy naman ay nagti-TikTok. Tinanong ko nga si Kuya Alan fam kung anong tingin nyo yung Bow River. Malamig kaya? Or medyo lukewarm yan, pwedeng mag-swimming. Sabi ni Kuya Alan, never uminit yan, ever. Ang ganda ng bridge. Dito kami banda sa may downtown actually. Bonus. Yun oh, grabe oh. Yung bahay dun oh. Wow. Fam, interestingly, tingnan nyo yung mga bahay. Grabe. Sa gilid ng river. Bow River, grabe to oh. Laki oh. Yun, isa pa. Yun din. Uy, parang rest house. Bahay. Ayan, so nandito na kami sa baba ng bridge mismo. Ito, sasakyan na bridge. Ito yung kanina nilakaran natin. Grabe. The powerful Bow River. Umabot ka na ng mga Marikina dyan, bro. Oh, yeah. May ganyan din, di ba? Ayan, fam, oh. Mga tiga Marikina dyan. Ayan, oh. Familiar tayo dyan. Yan yung flood, ano eh. Yeah. So, pag naubos yon, pag on top na yung tubig, lubog na. Yeah. Oh, Yolanda, oh. Ganda. So, andun yung park namin, fam. Andun si na mami. Yan, across. Yan yung park. Ayan, fam, tinawagan ni Kuya Alan ng mga girls. Ayan, fam, tinawagan sila ni Kuya Alan. Kita nyo ba? Oh, grabe yung zoom ng camera ko, oh, Kuya. Diba? Kita, oh. Ayan. Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Ayan, nagba-bye-bye. Si Kuya Davon, fam. Ayan ang Kuya Davon ko, fam. Ang cute. Ayan yung camp natin. Nag-hi si Mami. Ayan. Hello. Andyan kami, fam. Ayan yung table namin. As in, nasa kabilang dako kami ng river. Maglalakad kami. Mga 10 minutes na siguro. Doon kami sa kabilang bridge. And look at that. Ganda ng view. Bow River. Doon yung playground. So, kukross kami dito sa bridge. And, balik doon. Yan. Ito nga pala yung lamig ng tubig. Sobrang lamig. Frozen water. Hindi kaya maligo. Here you go, fam. Ito na kami sa bridge. Grabe yung mga bahay na nandun, fam, oh. Dyan. Meron silang view of the Bow River every day. So, doon tayo papunta. Balik na tayo doon sa playground. Si John Joseph and Kuya Alan. And si Jerry na uuna.
Yung boat land, Lawrence, no? Boat land.
Oh yeah, oo nga no. Pwede kang mag-boat launch dyan kung meron. Look at that, fam. Yan naman yan. Grabe. Ganda. Tapos naglalaro yung mga dogs. Oh. Look at that. Bahay. So ito yung view nila, fam. Every day. Zoom pa tayo. One more. Okay. Those houses. Balcony ba yan? Yun yung gusto ni Donna. Oo nga.
Talagang buong downtown pagka nandun ka
Pag nandyan ba? Sige nga, tingnan natin. Zoom natin.
zoom.
Zoom nga natin.
Siguro mga 4 to 5 million ba?
Oo nga, may lab oh. May balcony yung mga bahay lab oh.
Naging kahoy na.
Grabe oh.
Luma na yan.
Dalawa oh. Wow, lahat may balcony.
Kwak, kwak.
Very nice. Okay. So the boys are here. Naka na parang F4 kayo. Parang kayong F4 dyan ha. Ready, go. Again. Oh. Oh. Ooh, nice!
Kaya pag nagka-camping sis, di ba? Magkano? Pagka may flow traffic, magkano ang naano mo doon?
And we're done. Pauwi na tayo, fam. So, very successful Mother's Day.
Yes.
Siyempre.
Bonding
Natuwa
na
ka naman, love. Natuwa ka naman.
Bonding
So,
naman.
daming bonding. And nakita nyo naman kung saan kami pumunta, fam, yung mga boys.
Sa kabilang dako ng river.
Kabilang dako na ng river. Pero first time namin doon. So, very good experience. At least may park or may bago tayong park and playground na
Yeah.
alam dito sa Calgary.
Ang ganda din, tsaka malapit lang halos din sa atin.
Happy Mother's Day po sa ating lahat at sa inyong lahat.
Yes po.
And ang aming mga mami sa Davao and sa Laguna. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy and Mama.
Yes po, Happy Mother's Day!
Yan, so dito na namin tatapusin ang video, fam. And we're just driving pauwi na ng
Going
bahay. Prepare naman tayo for another week and continuous ang fish show ni Mommy. So, ayun nga, for the next couple of days and weeks, mag-fish show to si Mommy. So, we'll see you on the next video again, fam. And ano pa nga ba? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe kayo dito. And we'll see you on the next video. Hang
Hang
loose.